Oh, I just wanna take you anywhere that you like. We could go out any day, any night. Baby, I'll take you there, take you there. Baby, I'll take you there, yeah. Oh, tell me how to turn your love on. You can get anything that you want. Baby, just shout it out, baby, just shout it out, yeah. And if
K5 me guys, nami outing. So, taga-taga na rin guys, hindi tayo nakapag-vlog. So, ito na. Let's go. Hiers everyone, it's Macy, a good jogger in Battle Lady. So, tara na. Ubanin ni guys. Nanami there sa exciting part. K5 Resort siya guys. Baka naman. So guys, sa tagal na rin natin din nag-vlog. Kaya sulitin na natin to. Ang ganda naman ng pool guys. Ligo na. Busy naman tong isa sa pagtawag. Uy. At syempre yung barkada kong ang guwapa.
Nandito po kami sa K5.
May model kami guys. Wow. De parang, uy, naging puganda. Mine. At may cousin, beautiful iyan. At yung mga bata guys, hindi yan nagpapahuli. Ayan, ligo na sila sana. Oh. Ang astig naman iyan. Uy, ang cute naman ng batang iyan. Langoy well, may isa pa, laban. Bago tayo maligo guys, kain muna tayo. Kain tayo. Human na magkaon guys, kay naglakaw-lakaw na may sorry ba?
what?
Si Lablab mo na yan, siya daw ibigyan nato kay ganahan siya. Dugi-dugi naman good tawa ako nakapag-vlog guys, kaya sulit natin to. Sa K5 Resort. So karon guys, kay mo adto mi sa slide. So musaka na ta guys, kay naraman ni sa pikas. Ayan, napapansin mo na char.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Welcome to K5! K5 sa ta! Kapi patagat!
Hi guys, kami agad
Flex, may sisi. Magpa-slide na siya. Kaya mo yan. Wow, success. Next naman si Pamangkin. Success din siya. Sana all. Sila na sad guys. Ayan, yung kapatid ko at pinsan at yung bunso namin. Di yan magpapalupig. Uy, see you na good na Charles. Let's go! Wow! Fast forward guys, kami ulit ito ni Puganda. Flex muna tayo. Ayan. Ang saya. Yan ihapit ko dire guys. Kay nakita ko cute na bata. Hi Bibi Roman and Ate Grace. Aww. Si Sisi at parents ko. Love you po. Aww. Flex sa mga members sa Good Job Church Team. So nami dire guys kay mag-outing para pabugno sa tanong. Happy to ba? Enjoy bonding. Ayan, ganon. Lahatin na natin. So flex to all.
Oh, you are God, and we lift you up. We'll keep singing, we'll keep praising, we won't stop. Give it all we got, 'cause you're worthy of all.
Yun guys, ninaog na ko kahit mag-lunch na daw ta. Hi everyone. Flex may guwapa. Ang cute naman ng batang ito. Hi Jane. Hi sa inyong tatlo. Flex ang pagkaon guys. Ayan. Anya, fast forward guys. Sa meron may gibuhat dere pang memories na mo dere K5 for our membership and Good Job Team. Laban lang. Success. Hi sa baby Roman. Cute at sa guwapan. Enjoy for watching guys our moment.
Get a house just to lay in a bed so we can scroll a phone till we're sick in the head. We're all throwing stones till somebody's dead, but I wonder what we'd do if we knew. Something shifted in the air, we all felt it together everywhere. So many years we just sat back and stared, but I wonder what we do if we knew Jesus is coming back soon. Jesus is coming back soon. I can feel it in my bones. The day is coming close. Tell the world that they gotta know Jesus is coming back soon. He's coming back soon. Sooner than later, like a thief in the night, he's coming back like a groom for his bride. I see it now, he's got love in his eyes, coming back for hearts set on fire. I can't help but recognize we live life on borrowed time. It could come back in our lives. I wonder what we'd do if we knew Jesus is coming back soon. Jesus is coming back soon. I can feel it in my bones. The day is coming close. Tell the world, yeah, they gotta know Jesus is coming back soon. If every knee's gonna bow, why not here? Why not now?
So, fast forward guys. Ito, nagpapansin naman yung good jogger niya. So, flex my papa. Love you po. Okay. Sorry sa taan. Flex my mga kauban. Anya guys, uban ni Sydney kay muadto ta sa underground ni kumbaga. Char. So, may dagat siya sa kilin guys. Ayan, nakikita niyo. Tapad ramang good siya sa dagat. So, pwede ra ka maligo sa dagat. Then, pwede ra pag ka sa pool.
So
So, pwede po mo diri mag-date. Pero may makistawbo, Charles. So, nami diri guys. Uban ni Miss ako. Iya, maglaglag gamay. Date ba? Uy. So, mo ni iyang view guys. Sa iyang underground. Para lagi kayong updated guys. Follow na and share, react na din. So, kani nga time guys, kay padung na mi po uli sa prepare tagamay. So, moro to akong nga video nga update. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.